The reason we're here is there are people still dying on our roadways, and we have a group of people that are doing everything they can to prevent it. This is the first year since 1944 that the traffic deaths on Minnesota have been below 400 deaths.
The leading cause of death for Minnesota teens in the last 10 years have been traffic accidents. Distraction and risk-taking certainly have been the leading causes of the accidents, but not wearing their seatbelts has contributed to the #1 cause of death from accidents. So parents, talk to your children about avoiding distractions, cell phones, texting, eating, putting makeup on. There's a variety of activities that can lead to distracted driving and take away our attention from the road and driving conditions. But as adults, let's be honest, they're not the only ones at fault. We need to recognize that we have to model good behavior and avoid distractions ourselves.
You know, as we enter the summer season, we get a lot busier outside. We make travel plans. We go up to the cabins, family vacations. We all need to be reminded that the seatbelt is the #1 thing that we can do to ensure a safe journey. Wearing a seatbelt is your best defense on the road, with a road that is full of uncertainties. Whether you have speeding, distracted driving, impaired drivers, we can all be the safest driver in the world, and we don't know what that next driver or that driver next to us is going to be like. So we have to make the preparations for ourselves, and it all starts with each one of us to wear the seatbelt and to make sure that everyone else in the car is wearing it as well.
We do have a survivor here today just because she made the right choice to wear her seatbelt. As Mark stated, on October 1st, just after 3 a.m., Danny Feeblecorn was driving a Chevrolet Cavalier southbound on I-35 about 3 miles north of Faribault. Danny fell asleep and was awakened by the sounds of rumble strips on the median side of the interstate. She overcorrected and entered the west ditch sideways. Once off the road, her vehicle rolled numerous times and came to rest on its roof after striking a tree and a fence. Had not Danny been wearing her seatbelt on that morning, she would most likely have been another statistic in Minnesota, another unbelted fatality on our Minnesota roadways.
It would be so different if I would have died, and I'm just really thankful that I didn't, obviously. So yeah, I just really hope that everyone does wear their seatbelts so they don't have to go through the same thing that I did, or worse, I suppose.